How to change your Brigit app password for better security. In order to change your Brigit password, you can follow these steps. First thing first, you want to open the Brigit app. So once you open the Brigit app onto your device, what you need to do is, you could simply go ahead and open the app on your mobile device, navigate to the menu tab, and there, you just want to select your profile or account settings. After which, you would select the option to change password or update password. You will likely be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new secure password as well. After which, you could go ahead and confirm your changes, and that is how you will be able to change your Brigit app password for better security. And if you've forgotten your password, you could just go to the login page and tap on to forgot login or forgot your password, and you could follow the prompt to verify your identity, usually by email or text, and create a new password as well. And this is how you can change your Brigit app password for better security. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.